Hey guys, this is Connecticut, North Carolina. And right here, I'm going to tell you about Kuwait 1990 EAS alarm origin. So, I'm pretty sure a lot of people know you. I want to know what is the 1990 version of Kuwait, like the EAS alarm. Well, well, here's the answer. Listen to this audio. Did you Did you hear the EAS alarm? Well, many people do. Some people think that this EAS alarm has copied from the Super Mario World OST, which is the overworld, or I don't know really. So, yeah. Now, now let's hear the origin. Yeah, it might sound the same, like the Kuwait 1990 EAS alarm, but yeah, it's actually the same as like the Kuwait 1990 EAS alarm origin. I mean, it it's basically the same, but yeah, there's well, well, there's literally something else. Well, there's literally a lore to it, but when the original but when the sound is played, people tend to see what is happening in this EAS alarm. Well, of course, Kuwait 1990 EAS alarm has the same as this sound. So, what do you guys think? What did you hear the difference between the Kuwait 1990 AS alarm origin and the OST of Super Mario World Map 2 Overworld? Leave a comment below and I'll try my best to answer them.